Those Callaways are an excellent real estate company that have been in business in the Phoenix area for over 20 years. Today, we would like to preview one of their outstanding listings located at 5621 East Grovers Avenue in North Phoenix. This home is not only gorgeous, but gated and upgraded. Located in the magic 85254 zip code, the home is ready to move in and has designer architecture, fine finishes, and 2 master suites. It also has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and over 3,400 square feet of living area. When you walk up to the home, you are greeted with the expansive private front courtyard. Once you enter, you see an open family room dining room that has high ceilings and a 2-way fireplace, which is great for entertaining. It features a gourmet kitchen with an eat-in island and is finished with beautiful granite. You'll also love the rich cherry cabinets and stainless appliances. Both master suites enjoy walk-in closets, soak tubs, and dual vanities. And there's a lovely bookshelf-lined hall and den office with custom built-ins. The beautiful backyard does not disappoint and has an azure lap pool and a deep covered patio. This house just came on the market and is priced at $799,000. You can take a virtual tour at thosecallaways.com. The knowledgeable and respected team at Those Callaways can show you this home and many more. Call them today at 480-596-5751.